Design isn't just how it looks, it's how it feels. Premium M390 steel meets a grade 5 titanium frame. 4 deployment methods. Infinite reliability. Internally milled for stealth weight reduction. Solid look, featherweight feel. A standard-sized powerhouse that disappears in your pocket. The Kogarasu blade geometry is built for the tough tasks. Your carry, your way. Truly ambidextrous 4-way adjustment. An edge designed to stay sharp and be easily restored. The Acala, born for practicality.